Hello everyone, it's Theary here from Cloudy Coral Designs. I am so excited to be here today on Crescent's Creations YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a one-layered card that I created using the new September digital release. For this card, I printed images from Happy Halloween stamp set and the Trick or Treat stamp set. What's really neat about Crescent's Creations digital files are that they're opaque, so it's very easy to layer the images on top of one another. For example, on my card today, I used the image of the child wearing the Halloween costume and placed him behind a tombstone. I wanted it to seem as though he was peering behind a tombstone. It was very simple to do. Okay, to start, I printed this on two different papers, one on white cardstock and another on masking paper. I went ahead and fussy cut my masking paper so that I can use it to mask the areas where I don't want my ink blending to touch. I also went ahead and trimmed down the side of the cardstock to make it easier for blending. For the background, I wanted a dark night sky. I used distressed oxides and scattered straw, tumbled glass, chipped sapphire, and wilted violet. I also went around the edges of the card front with black soot to give it a little bit more interest. Next, I am using my watercolors to add paint splatters to my card front. But before doing so, I did place some mask over the sentiment. I use white and gold paint and a round brush to splatter over my card front. Also, I wanted to add a little more sparkle, so I took my sparkling spray and spritzed it onto the card front. Before removing the masking paper, it's important to make sure that the card front is completely dry. I think this is my favorite part, the reveal of the background. To add some life to the images, I used alcohol markers to color them in. Here you can see the coloring process. I like to use a white gel pen to add highlights to the images. It helps give the image a little more life. I then cut down the card front to 4 by 5 1/4 and adhered it with large foam tape to a card base that measured 11 by 5 1/2. And that completes the card. I hope you enjoyed the process of this one-layer card that I created, and thank you so much for visiting Crescent's Creations channel. Please come on over and check out my Instagram and channel at Cloudy Coral Designs. Everything will be linked down below. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.